welcome back to A Minute with Mark. This time I'm going to show you how to make a trail fix for your front axle with a unit bearing. Let's get into it. Okay, so to make this happen, we're going to want an old unit bearing, an outer axle, and then we're going to want your spindle nut. And we're going to torque all this down to 175 foot-pounds. All right. The next step is to cut these ears off. Okay, now it's time to clean it and paint it. So, a fully assembled unit bearing ready to be installed. If you break an axle, pull the whole thing out, shove a rag in the tube, bolt this guy up in its place, and you're ready to go. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love it, hit subscribe down below. Hit those comments, let me know what you think about this and if you would carry it. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.